afternoon, drivers. This is Barry with Christenson Transportation. Have another quick segment of our maintenance toolbox where we address numerous issues, little tidbits that come across our plate every day, and we thought, hey, I need to tell the fleet about that just to keep everybody aware and in tune with the changes that are going on. We're getting into that time of the year, cold weather, things act up. It's hard on people, it's hard on equipment. One of the things I've noticed a lot, fifth wheel latching and unlatching issues. You've got to maintain this stuff just like any other part. These fifth wheels, when you go get a service, they put a bunch of grease on that plate every time. As soon as you hook up to a trailer and unhook, it's moving that grease and it's packing it down in that gap where all the workings of the fifth wheel are. So clean that out, you know, take time, take a big screwdriver, whatever it is, get in there, get that excess grease out of there so it doesn't clot it up and just gum it up, and especially when it gets cold and gritty and all the stuff that's going to be put on the roads, it gets in there. So just remember that that's a pretty important part of the truck that often gets neglected. Another thing this time of year, you know, we get condensation, we get water in the lines. Make sure that you change your air dryer out on a pretty semi-annual basis to avoid some costly breakdowns in bad places. Not that there's a good place, but there's definitely a lot of bad places in the winter where services are hard to get to, and it's takes a lot of time and gets pretty expensive. So just some little things, put some additive in your truck, keep that with you, some anti-gel stuff. We don't have that much of an issue, but you never know. If we run into a really cold area and we've got too much moisture in the system, we're going to have issues. So keep those air tanks drained. Pull those cords every time you fuel, get that extra air out of there. Drain your fuel bowl on your fuel filter, get the water out of that. Just little things that make life easier. Have a good day, be safe, maintain those trucks, and thanks for being at Christenson, and thanks for watching these.